Test drive the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, cold weather package, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.